Hi everyone, welcome back to Yen's Kitchen at Home. Today I'm showing you how to clean fresh abalone properly, step by step, just like how I do it at home. If you ever bought a live abalone and didn't know where to start, don't worry. This video will walk you through everything. This is what the abalone should look like after it's been properly cleaned, shell on, nice and white, no black residue. This is the live abalone I bought fresh from the market. Fresh abalone is the best, firm, alive and full of flavor. You don't need fancy tools, just a spoon or butter knife, a brush, and a running water. First, scrub the abalone shell thoroughly. Brush the top and side to remove all the black spot until the shell turns white. Slide a spoon firmly between the abalone and the shell. Go slowly and keep the spoon flat. Then cut the muscle that's holding it on. Then pull the meat out completely. You will see a dark, fluffy bits on one side. These are the guts. Cut and discard everything except the firm white or beige muscle. Rinse under cold running water. Use your finger or a brush to remove the black slimes around the edges. At the narrow end, there's a hard mouth or beak. Slice it off and throw it away. You can brush a bit off the top until it's turning white. Let's do another one. First, brush the top and the side to remove all the spot until the shell turns white. Side spoon firmly to remove the abalone from the shell. Remove all the muscle that holds on the abalone meat. Remove any dark residue if there is still any. And the lastly, remove the hard mouth of the beak and scrape any dirty spot on the top. And this is how you clean abalone. It's just a simple few steps. These are the abalone that has been washed and cleaned thoroughly and is ready to be used in our cooking. At the end, I'm serving the abalone two ways. First, in a comforting chicken and fish maw soup, and second, sliced abalone with ginger, garlic, spring onion, and soy sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Yen's Kitchen at Home. I go live regularly between 6:30 to 7 p.m. Australia Eastern Standard Time with more cooking and seafood preparation coming up. And if you would like to see how I prepare the garlic, ginger, spring onion, soy sauce abalone, please check out on my other video. Until then, see you soon.